Hey there, YouTube fam! Are you tired of your AI-generated content getting flagged by content detectors? You're not alone. Many content creators face this frustrating issue, so we're here to help. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple trick that will make your content pass as human written without using expensive tools or complex methods. So, are you ready to say goodbye to flagged content and learn how to fool those pesky AI detectors? Let's dive in and unlock the secret to getting your content past detection systems with ease. Alright, let's dive into this exciting demonstration. Picture this. You're a content creator working on a blog post about the latest tech trends. You've heard a lot about ChatGPT and decide to give it a try to create a 250-word article. You're eager to see the results and hope that the AI can save you some time and a little bit of effort. Boom! There you have it. Now we're cooking with fire. A 250-word article on the latest tech trends, all generated by ChatGPT. You're impressed by how quickly and easily the AI created the content, but then it hits you. AI detection tools could be a problem. They're known for being pretty good at sniffing out AI-generated content like this. To see if your article can stand up to the scrutiny of these AI detectors, you decide to run it through three popular ones: originality.ai, writer.com, and contentedscale.ai. You're curious to see if your article will pass as human-written or if it'll be flagged as AI-generated content. As you watch the results come in, you realize that the AI detectors have flagged your article. Bummer! But don't worry. We're about to reveal a simple technique that will help you rewrite the article in a way that bypasses AI detection. Stay tuned to discover how you can transform your AI-generated content into a compelling, human-like piece that's undetectable by AI detectors. You're feeling determined to outsmart these AI detectors, and that's when we come to the rescue with a simple yet effective technique to rewrite your article in a way that bypasses AI detection. You're eager to learn and ready to take your content to the next level. First, we'll use prompts and seed content to give ChatGPT some context. Remember, context is assessed based on perplexity and burstiness, two metrics that show how complex and varied the text is. The trick is to rewrite the article with a high degree of perplexity and burstiness, making it more human-like and harder to detect. With our goal in mind, we ask ChatGPT to rewrite the article, focusing on increasing complexity and variation. You watch in anticipation as the AI starts to work its magic. And there it is, your rewritten article. You notice that it still covers the same tech trends, but now the language is more diverse and engaging. The content feels more alive, and you can't wait to see if it can pass as human-written content. With newfound confidence, you run the rewritten article through the same AI detectors: originality.ai, writer.com, and contentedscale.ai. This time, you're hopeful that the results will be different. You can hardly believe your eyes. The rewritten article now passes as human-written content, making it undetectable by AI detectors. You've successfully fooled the detection systems using our simple technique, and the best part? You didn't need any additional software or tools. Your content is now not only more engaging, but also free from the risk of being flagged as AI generated. Victory is yours, Commander. So now you're feeling triumphant after successfully bypassing the AI detectors with your rewritten article. You can't help but wonder about the benefits of this newfound technique and how it could impact your content creation process. But remember, folks, with great power comes great responsibility. Now, one of the major advantages of using this method is that you don't need any additional software or tools that'll cost you an arm and a leg. You've actually managed to create human-like, undetectable content using only ChatGPT and a few simple tweaks. This means you can save both time and money by avoiding expensive detection bypassing tools. And another great benefit is that the increased levels of burstiness and perplexity have made your content more engaging and compelling without sacrificing quality. Your readers will enjoy a richer reading experience, and you'll have the peace of mind knowing your content is safe from AI detection. As you reflect on the power of this technique and ponder what I'm pondering, you realize that it's not just about fooling AI detectors. It's about elevating your content and making it more engaging for your audience. By using this method, you've unlocked the secret to creating captivating content that stands out from the competition. Don't go sharing now. With the newfound sense of mastery, you're eager to apply this technique to more of your AI-generated content, knowing that you can create high-quality, undetectable pieces without breaking a sweat. The future of your content creation looks brighter than ever, and you're ready to take on any challenge that comes your way. After discovering the benefits of this technique, you're eager to put it into practice and rewrite your article. You know that by applying these simple tweaks to your AI-generated content, you can create a piece that's not only more engaging and human-like, but also undetectable by all of those pesky AI detectors. As you sit down to rewrite your article, you remind yourself of the importance of perplexity and burstiness. You want to create a piece that is more complex and varied, mimicking the way humans write. With this in mind, you provide ChatGPT with prompts and seed content to guide the rewriting process. The AI quickly generates a new version of your article. As you read through it, you notice the difference. The language is more diverse, the expressions more varied, and the content feels more engaging. You can't help but feel a sense of accomplishment knowing that you've transformed your AI-generated content into something undetectable and captivating. And you did it all for free. Confident in your rewritten article, you run it through the AI detectors one more time, eager to see if it passes as human-written content. You watch with excitement as the results come in, and you can't believe it. The rewritten article passes as human-written content with flying colors! Yes! You've mastered the art of bypassing AI detection using only ChatGPT and a few simple techniques without breaking the bank. With your rewritten article in hand, you're now ready to share it with your audience, knowing that you've created a piece that is not only engaging and compelling, but also safe from AI detection. The possibilities are endless, and you can't wait to apply this technique to even more of your content in the future. Mad Max meets My Little Pony? Yes, please. Now that you've mastered the art of rewriting AI-generated content to bypass AI detectors, let's take a moment to appreciate the benefits this technique brings to your content creation process. You've unlocked a powerful method to improve your content, and the advantages are numerous, and it's only going to cost you $9.99.95. But first and foremost, there's no need for additional software or tools. I cannot stress this enough, folks. You don't have to buy software, you don't have to get fancy tools, you don't gotta pay somebody to teach you how to do this because you've already done it by using ChatGPT and applying these simple techniques. You've already managed to create content that is both engaging and undetectable by AI detectors. This not only saves you time, but it also keeps your wallet happy. Unless you spent the $9.99.95 on this video, in which case, greetings from the Bahamas. I've said it before and I'll say it again that one of the greatest benefits of this technique is the ability to increase the quality of your content. With these increased levels of perplexity and burstiness, your articles have become more complex and varied, which is going to create a richer and more engaging reading experience for your audience. This, in turn, can lead to better reader retention and a higher likelihood of your content being shared. And by using this method, you're also future-proofing your content. As AI detection tools continue to evolve, you'll be one step ahead, ensuring that your content remains undetectable and immune to any potential penalties or restrictions associated with AI-generated content. And finally, this technique encourages creativity and pushes you to think outside the box. By focusing on creating more complex and varied content, you're challenging yourself to develop unique and engaging pieces that stand out in a sea of AI-generated content. It's like Waterworld everywhere you look out there. Embracing this technique not only helps you bypass AI detection, but also elevates the quality of your content, setting you apart from the competition. With these benefits in mind, you can continue to create compelling, undetectable content that keeps your audience coming back for more. Like pudding. Alright, so there you have it, folks. We've walked you through the entire process of using ChatGPT to create content that is both engaging and undetectable by AI detectors. You've learned how to master the art of rewriting AI-generated content by focusing on perplexity and burstiness to make it more complex and varied. And by applying this simple yet effective technique, you've gained the power to create content that not only passes AI detection, but also provides a richer and more engaging reading experience for your audience. And the best part is, you've achieved all of this without the need for any additional software, fancy tools, or without a need to break the bank. We encourage you to try this technique with your own AI-generated content and experience the benefits for yourself. You'll soon discover the limitless potential of creating captivating, undetectable content that sets you apart from the competition. Now, as we wrap up, we would like to just say again, thank you so very much for joining us on this journey. Your support means the world to us, and we're excited to see how you apply this technique to your current content creation process. Don't forget to share your experiences and successes with us in the comments below. What kind of crazy prompts or articles have you been able to generate? And do me a favor, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And just because I'm a man of consistency and we haven't had a chance to say it yet, I gotta hit you with one before I go. Skynet.